I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
So this is a Polo Match, which is a 1 litre petrol manual 60 PS finished in a deep black paint. This vehicle has covered 30,134 miles. Some brilliant features on this vehicle include your parking sensors on both the front and rear to support with parking and tight manoeuvres. Got your 15-inch alloy wheels finished in silver. Then we have your electric folding wind mirrors as an additional option. We have your automatic headlamps, and then there's also a generous space available in the boot considering the size of the vehicle. The seats can also be folded to extend the space to fit in large items, so as you can see how much the capacity has increased. Then we also have your spare wheel underneath your boot floor. Taking a look inside, so we have this cloth upholstery which is both comfortable and practical. Isofix points are fitted into the outer rear seats, which is handy if you're carrying any children. Moving to the front, we have your multifunctional steering wheel, and then we also have your cloth finish. And we've got plenty of manual adjustments available for yourself and front passenger. We have your multifunctional steering wheel that allows you to access your car's media. We have the cruise control perfect for motorway driving. We can also customise your instrument cluster where we can find your key driver information. In the centre we have your multimedia screen where we can access the car's functionalities via the scroller, touchscreen or shortcut buttons. We first have your DAB digital radio. We have sources available to listen to your own music such as an aux as well as your Bluetooth audio. We can also make hands-free calls. This car features your satellite navigation as an additional feature to support you in planning your routes. This is how your parking sensors will appear on the screen whilst giving an audible warning. Just below we'll have your manually controlled air conditioning system. This is nice and simple to use. And then just below we have your aux 12-volt socket as well as a USB port, some handy cup holder storage, your manual gear stick followed by your manual handbrake.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.